Hello everybody, it's Lisa Brown, Brown Goes Crafting. We're going to make a cute little ornament out of a tuna can. This can was washed this last summer and I've just had it put up and you can't even smell tuna on it anymore. I got this paper from Temu. We're going to go through it. We're going to pick out a cute little part of this piece of paper and we're going to put it in our can there. But first we're going to go ahead and wrap it around with some jute. So once I get this cut out, we're going to do a dry fit on it. And I had to trim off just a little bit more and it fits right in. So now we're just going to go ahead and paint the inside of that rim 2 coats of white chalk paint because it took 2 coats. And if you have any sharp edges, just kind of take some pliers there and just push it down a little bit. Once I had that down and it was all dry, I'm going to go ahead and take this red and tan jute that I got from Dollar Tree. They've got like red, green, and blue, I believe. And I'm just going to go ahead and round. And this is easy, guys. You just put a little bit of glue. You wrap it around. Now, when you get down toward the end, I kind of unwind it a little bit to make my twine a little bit fatter to kind of go over that rim. And once we get halfway down, we're going to take a piece of it, make a little loop, and we're going to start gluing over it. I went over that 2 rounds. And then the 3rd round, you want to come up and under it, lift it up. And it's not like it's holding, 10 pounds. It's only holding a few ounces. And that will hold your ornament hanger there. Now, once I've got it down on the rim, I want to put 1 strand all the way around the outside edge of the rim. And then you want to go inside the can there and just put 1 roll that butts up next to that top edge there. That way it finishes off your edge really good and pretty. You can see there now I'm going inside and I'm almost done there and we trimmed it out. Now you can't even tell it's a can once we hide that bottom. Went ahead and put a lot of Mod Podge in the bottom of this because this is cardstock and it takes a lot. I made sure that I had it lined up with my hanger at the top. I went ahead and cut some biscuits up because I need a little height for my little angels that we're going to put in. And I got these angels from Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of, I think, maybe 8 pieces. And they even have the wings there. We're going to stack 3 pieces up and then 2 pieces. And I had to have a little bit more room, so I had to cut this one in half and just get me a little sliver. And I did it on 2 of them so they kind of match up a little better. Went ahead and glued those down, and I've painted everything white, the angels and our pieces are going to stand on. I put a little bit of Mod Podge on this, and we're going to use a little bit of diamond dust. And guys, do not pick these up with your fingers because I have had diamond dust in my finger and it takes forever to work its way out. It is so fine you can't get under it or anything. It just has to come up to the surface and it is painful. I gave this a little bit of a dry and I did kind of spread some of that diamond dust around. So we're going to take that paper off here in just a minute. I'm wrapping some of my little glitter tulle around my angels just to give them a little bit of depth to them. We're putting a dot of glue on that wing and we're going to layer on there. I trimmed off the bottom of the dresses so there wasn't a lot hanging down. But now I'm going to put in these 2 little pieces and I had to flip that one around to fit. We're going to put a little bit of glue on the bottom. We're going to put our top angel up there at the top. We're going to put some on the side here. And my glue gun was acting up, so I was really having to push it down. And I just put some on the tip there. And now this one's going to go down in the front to hide everything. I thought about putting some halos on these, and I just thought, nope, I'm not going to do it. We're going to go ahead and just leave their heads plain there. I'm taking some snow text and a little bit of a craft stick and just kind of shoving some back in the back and making it look like they're standing out in the snow singing. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video tonight. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll have another one on in the morning. Goodbye, everybody.